Hi guys! Good afternoon! Today is Saturday. Aalis ang buong family. Medyo makulimlim today. Kaya, madilim ang aking camera. Ang camera ko ba or ang aking mata? Aalis tayo guys. Pupunta tayo ng city. Kasi kung naalala nyo, nung nandun tayo sa Byron Bay, I bought Daddy Mike this Birkenstock. And nung dinala ko na siya sa bahay, it's one size bigger. It's very interesting kasi yung shoe size naman ni Daddy Mike is US 9. Pero yung binili ko US 9, medyo malaki sa kanya. We went back the next day. Unfortunately, they don't have the one size down. And yung ginawa nila, instead of refund, nagbigay na lang sila ng credit note. Yes.
Can we have a party tonight? Because I'm already back home.
Okay. And yung only store, platypus store, na merong size ni Daddy Mike ay sa Brisbane City lang. So, kailangan namin mag-drive papuntang city ngayon. Anyways, we have to do what we got to do, right? And here's Ate Paris with her sunnies. She looks so cute.
And actually tomorrow is Sunday. No.
Yes, tomorrow is Sunday, my love.
This is the last day. It's not the last day, but at school. This is the last day.
Yesterday was the last day of school, because it's Friday.
No, I'm not talking about school. I'm talking about the days of the week.
Oh, the days of the week. That's right. That's right. Come on now. Can you jump?
Yeah.
Can you jump? Are you sure? Come on now, because Daddy Mike and Baby Celine's in the car now. Are you sure, Anna? Mama will help you.
Can I switch the
I know, you're getting bigger. Come on, hold Mama. Okay, 1, 2, ready? Okay. Put your sunny son. What is it?
camera?
A Jimba. Ball? No. What is it you want? Okay. Oh, I know. What's the sound of the piggy? Where's your nose? I'm not Yeba. What's that? Nothing? Is the box there, Bob? The shoe box?
Yes.
Alright, sweetie heart. City na kami. Alam niyo ba, sobrang tagal namin nakahanap ng parking. Dito kami sa tuktok. Good girl. Oh.
Should we buy that?
Here you go. Oh my goodness. Have a look at Daddy. Ay, talaga naman tong batang ito. Okay. Going. Sobrang tagal namin nakahanap ng parking, guys, kasi going. Mostly yung parking sa taas ay reserved. Goodness. Sabi nga ni Daddy Mike na they must have paid a lot of money for that parking kasi akalaan nyo dito sa city, no? Tapos kahit hindi ka nagpark dyan kasi reserved para sa'yo ay magbabayad ka rin. Come on. Don't cry. Daddy. Daddy, she's crying now. Come on.
Come on.
Not running. Put it on your head there.
I don't want to wear it.
Ka-order lang namin ni Baby Celine ng orange juice. Si Daddy Mike tsaka si Ate Paris nandun sa platypus. I don't know if you can see. Can you? No. Very blurry. Yan. Pina-exchange ni Daddy Mike yung kanyang shoes. Yes! You have to wait here, okay? Order kami ng orange juice. Ito yung fresh juice dito. Sa harapan ng Myers. Sobrang fresh. Sobrang yummy. Napaka-sweet ng oranges nila dito. Umorder ako ng dalawang large. Tag $9 yung large. Tapos isang regular which is $7. Hindi masasayang man kung malaki. Dada.
Mommy.
Yes. Are you having orange juice as well?
No.
Oh, come. It's our turn. Come on. This way. Hang on. Oh. There you go. Ooh. Yummy. Say thank you, Mama. Yeah? You can have it. Ito yung dalawa. Share kami na Ate Paris. Malaki kasi. That's Daddy's.
Daddy.
Call Daddy.
Daddy.
Louder. Louder. Louder so Daddy can hear you. Huh?
That's little.
That's Daddy's. This is Mommy's and Ate Paris's. And that's yours.
You show.
Yes.
That's Daddy's show. No.
Yes.
Mommy.
That is Mommy's. That's right. And this is
Daddy.
Daddy. That's right. And this is
Seba.
Diba? This is mine. Yummy. Dapat sana, pipick upin ko rin yung aking glasses. So remember, before kami pumunta ng Byron Bay, bumili ako ng glasses. And nung nandun kami sa Byron Bay, nag-message sila sa akin na it's available na daw for pick up. So, it's on the other side of the city kasi. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, how about instead na mag-rush kami from here, papunta doon, sabi niya, let's just spend the afternoon sa city. Tapos bukas, pupunta tayo doon, pick upin natin yung glasses mo and we can do something else. Instead of like, come to city, tapos mag-rush punta doon, parang wala kaming ginawa ba. Especially for the kids kasi they need time to like, walk around, parang ganyan, oh. Oh. Ganyan. Sabi ko, sige. Dito na lang muna kami. We don't have any plan as yet. Ah, na-exchange siya pala. Oh, ay, may bit-bit na. Where's Daddy lang? Lini, where's Daddy? All good? Did you try it on?
It's still too big.
Really?
I need a 40.
Why did you get it then? Wow. They're having...
This is a barn, that's what I said.
I did very good.
You did quite good. It's really good.
Come on.
This time I'm Emily, but you
Paris
see,
wants to go up to my to look at some crocs.
number 10, I went with Emily now, and you are out.
That's Celine's mom. That's Celine's. Yeah.
I'm not thirsty.
Just have some.
I did already.
Did you? about here? Ano? Feel na feel niya ang kanyang bed. Sobrang cute.
Daddy.
What is that? What is that?
Nay.
Nay, is it? It's a horse. Horse. Nandito kami sa children's wear. Naghahanap kami ng Crocs for Ate Paris. Wala naman daw, sabi ni daddy mo. Where's daddy? Ang dami nakasale na shoes. Oh. Oh, cute. Magkano kaya ito? 45. Daddy, oh, so cute. For Celine.
Daddy.
Are they too big? Are they too big?
Oh, what size is that? 5? Ano natin na niyo? Shoes. Shoes. What size is this? Bakit walang size na nakalagay? Anyways, that looks real cute. That's from Clark's. Boots. Boots. Yeah, butas.
Paris is trying.
Wow.
Keep an eye on Celine. What are you doing, mate?
I'm trying shoes.
Wala, siya na try by herself.
Me?
I'm trying to laugh for me. This one.
Hello, we're here for Crocs man lang.
No, there's no more Crocs.
That's why we'll go have a look around.
Why? Which one do you like for me? This one, this one, this one,
Everything.
or this one, or this one, or this one, or that love hot ones. Which one will you love for me?
Everything, honey. They'll look
Which
good.
one?
All of them.
Pick. Mine, pick one that you love.
Dito kami sa food court, guys. Bumili kami ni Baby Celine ng bagel. So that's with the cream cheese and strawberry jam. Habang ang ating Daddy Mike ay nagpapagawa ng kanyang kilay. Sana all. Sana all. Hang on lang, Mama, do this first, ha? We'll put the jam first. Hang on. Mama, put the jam. Buto na dyan na? Ayan, dyan makawalat na? Whoa, whoa. This is Mommy's ultimate favorite. Hang on. Cream cheese.
Oh,
Yeah. Finish. Ito? Wala ko na po any cream on yun? Ano? Salamat po cream on yours? No. There's more cream cheese here lang. Sarap, guys. Gusto niya plain lang ah. It's the day after. Hindi na natin natapos yung vlog natin kahapon. After naming napalitan yung shoes ni Daddy Mike, ay pumunta na ng game center. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Anyways, meron tayong lakad ngayon. So, yesterday, diba, hindi ko na pick up yung aking glasses. So, that's where we're going today. It's currently 1:40 in the afternoon. Daddy Mike's just getting ready now. Tapos, diretso na kami doon para pick upin ng ating new glasses. Tapos, walang doon siguro ipa-adjust ko to kasi madali siyang nag-lose sa aking fast lock kasi itong mga kids minsan, nauupuan, nahihigaan. So, nawala. Anak, Daddy's in the bathroom. Kaya tingnan nyo, very loose. So, pakita ko lang to sa inyong nabili ko kahapon sa, sa city. So, itong mga cutie things na to. Hi! Can you hear me? Daddy's in the bathroom lang. Itong mga cuties na to. Ayan. Ito yung pang-accessorize sa ating Crocs. Si mami nyo ay nahuhumaling na sa Crocs ngayon. Tinatawanan ako ni Daddy Mike. Sabi niya, na-influensyahan daw niya ako. Ayan, sobrang cute. So, ito yung ating Crocs. So, hindi ko pa ito na-try before. Lagay natin. Oh, ganun. Mabilis lang pala siyang ilagay. Cute naman ito eh. Okay, so, depende sa'yo kung saan mo siya ilalagay. So, that's Sunny's ice drop. Ano pang meron? Lagyan natin ng sun. Cutie. Hi, princess. Look at mama's shoes lang. Napakaganda. Ayan. Ayan. Hello. Say hi, tita, dito. Say hi, guys. What happened? Hi. Say hi, guys. Ano na nangyari sa aking buhok? There. There, oh, there. Hala, naunsa na ang buhok mo lang. Look at mama's shoes. It's there, see? So, we'll put the rest. Alam niyo ba yung Crocs sa Daddy Mike ay naiwan niya sa Byron Bay. Actually, hinanap namin siya. Last namin nakita is, dinala namin nung nag-swimming. Dinala doon. Sa swimming pool. And since then, hindi na siya nakita. So, sabi ni Daddy Mike, naiwan niya siguro doon. Tinawagan niya, pero sabi wala man daw. So, wala ng parang bula. Anyways, buti na lang, binilan ko siya ng, Birkenstock. Ayan. So, burger, game over na tapos ma-ice cream. Suot natin, be? Yun, take it off lang. Hala, gitang-tang, mga silingling, oy. Thank you, princess. Tikop-tikop lang, ha? Tikop lang. Well, have a look. Did you pull it? Oh, you're a silly girl. See? Ice cream! Put it back? Put the ice cream back? Hala ka, hindi siya pwedeng paano kay Baby Celine? Palapit. Kasi kinukuha niya. No. Look, see? Wow, super cute! Yay! Kakarating lang namin, guys. And guess what? Ang mga kids ay tulog. Tingnan nyo, ngangabes, oh. Lucky, we brought the pram with us. I'll just transfer Celine nice and softly para hindi magising. Nangabes. Ati. We're here na. Ayun! Come na. Natin may gusto na. Good girl. What was that? Sure, naka-Chicago Bulls pa. Uy. Ayan yung suot niya kasi kaninang umaga nag-workout yan sila ng tatay niya. Ay, so tayo. Ito, dari karo. Pumunta sila ng park, nag-workout. Ayan, ganyan ang kanyang outfit. Try na naman si Inday. Wow!
Let's try kids one.
Yes. So here's what it looks like now, guys, on me. Ayan, in-adjust na ni Kuya para hindi siya mahulog. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Look at him. Yeah, I love it. What do you think? Okay. Dahil pasabog siya. So, I've got it now. Yan. Suot ko pa rin yung aking old na glasses. But this one, guys, pina-adjust ko kay Kuya. So, this one is very nice now. Before kasi nahuhulog ba? So, now it's very fit na sa aking Tesla. Ayan. So, mamaya ko na to gamitin ang ito. I'm so happy. So now, punta lang kami ng food court. Kakain ako guys kasi gutom na si ate. Oh, follow Daddy. Quick. And si Daddy Mike ay nakapag-book na din ng kanyang barber. He has to go in 40 minutes. Magpapaano siya haircut. Kaya sa laki ha. Oh, yan. Buddy. Here go, come on. Hala. Here's my Vietnamese for beef noodle soup, guys.
And guys, I'm doing a rocking song.
Yum.
Guys,
Yan siya, kumain na yan siya kanina kasama yung tatay niya. What did you have for lunch, ate?
hot dog roll.
Sausage roll?
I mean sausage roll. And guys, this is my rocking song. But I'm not gonna sing it.
Okay.
I'm gonna use my guitar.
Okay. Kain muna ako, guys. Bon appetit. Look at Mama when you do it. And then toilet ng very lights. Here at the Paris of So we're in the parents' room.
House is closed tomorrow. Midnight.
Oh, really?
You know, call it after.
Okay, come on, girls. We gotta go.
We're gonna go quickly because house is closed. Come on.
What time was closing? 6.
Alright.
Come on now. Oi.
It's 4:45.
It's funny how they close here. 4:30 Sunday. Look. See, Ate Paris is putting the egg in the water. Yan yung... Just leave it lang. Ito yung binili nila, guys. So, according to the instructions sa box, leave it there for 12 to 24 hours.
Yeah, that's gotta be tomorrow.
And then
it's
merong
gonna hatch tomorrow.
mermaid.
It's gonna hatch tomorrow. But
Yeah, may mermaid bukas.
But actually, I can actually.
Just leave it there, and then like when you wake up tomorrow, check again and see what's happening.
If it's not there, if the mermaid's not hatched yet, Maybe tonight it'll be.
No, it will hatch tomorrow.
No, tomorrow night. I mean tomorrow,
Tomorrow
night.
night, yes.
If it.
Oh, that would be really cool. Have a look, guys. A mermaid egg. Hang on lang. Mama is reading it. See? After 12 to 24 hours, after 2 days lang, the mermaid will come out.
Mommy, don't touch the water. Leave it.
Just let her touch for one time. Okay, touch it. One time. Yeah. And the mermaid's gonna come out.
No, it's not right now.
Okay, that's it now. That's it. Ling Ling. Tingnan niyo ang dalawa. May bahay sila, oh. Good night. Good night, girls. Ha? Dito kayo matutulog tonight?
I'm gonna fix it. And this is
I don't watch flying kiss to mommy. Mwah.
And this is all the toys we bring. Here's my squishy. Let's fly.
Show me your toy, Lynn.
And this is my caterpillar with science rays. Ah! This is my Bobby.
Ninga ko sila sa ilang
My curly Bobby.
balay. Oh, honey girl.
And here's
Stop
my
pulling
little-
it, anak. Ana, guba gina yung mansion karon.
And this little ball.
Hala.
And this little ball.
Lynn.
And this
Ala, ana na, wa na. Ang bungkag na. Gay kanina mo gid sila. Mary's cleaning.
found
Can you say Joe? Can you say Joe? Joe?